Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have 2011 Mazda BL3 sedan Neo, stock reference number 4409. The shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 10th month 2013. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the right-hand headlight, left power door mirror, left door has one small dent. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch steel rims. The left rear has a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right-hand boot lid garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent, as does the right front door. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, non-light type, right-hand sun visor, also non-light type, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.